Hi, today we're gonna make fried shrimp chips. Golden brown, crunchy, and flavorful. This is real shrimp chips. The ingredients are very simple. I use large shrimps, so the chips will be large too. First, peel off the shells but leave the tails. Just like this. Make sure to rinse them. The shrimp should be well cleaned. Drain off the water after cleaning. Now season the shrimps, some soy sauce, rice cooking wine, and white pepper powder. Combine them together. Rest and marinate for 15 minutes. After that, use paper towel to dry them. Then use a knife to butterfly the shrimp. Cut it all the way down carefully, but not cut it through. Unfold it, you can get this butterflied shrimp. We also need some cornstarch. A spoon of cornstarch on the cutting board first. Spread it evenly. Then place shrimp on the starch. Another spoon of cornstarch to cover the shrimp. Make sure it's fully covered. Now we need a rolling pin. Use it to drum the shrimp, so the shrimp gets thinner and thinner. You can use a food hammer, but make sure to knock gently. Be patient. The shrimp will be as thin as a paper and as big as my palm. All done. Use canola oil for the frying. The temperature should be around 330 Fahrenheit. Lay the shrimps in the oil carefully. Fry about 5 minutes and fry them in batches. When shrimps are golden brown, take them out. Finally, you got these real shrimp chips. It's beautiful and flavorful, super crispy and tasty, and some spices if you like more flavor. Then enjoy! I'm Catman, see you next time.